Today, I'm making a pepper stuffed chicken breast. Clean and thinly slice 1/2 of the red pepper, the onion, and the jalapeno pepper. And you're going to set that aside. And remember, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Slice the chicken horizontally through the middle, then pound each half until about 1/4 inch thick. Generously sprinkle each side with the seasoning mixture. Place the peppers and onions on each half. Roll each half and secure with 2 to 3 toothpicks. Roll each half in the remaining mixture. Then coat each half with the olive oil. Bake on 400 degrees for 6 minutes. Then top with a few strips of peppers. Bake for 5 minutes longer or until an internal temperature is at least 165. Thanks for watching.